So, well,
4, 5, 13. Okay, so this become infractors. Okay, item 4, 5, and 13, you right? Mr. NNB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the settlement period has become over and the petition has accordingly become infracted.
settlement period of 1/7/2000.
No, that's all right. Yes, sir. In view of the submission made by Mr. NNB Chaudhary, which is, no. Then who appears for the other side?
I'm for the Muslim Autonomous Council.
Mr.
Number 6.
Mr.
D.
D or T?
D
for Delhi.
Yes.
D. Gogoi appeals for the Muslim Autonomous Council, while Ms. Yudas appeals for the state government, for the state government. Okay, this is in view of the submission made by the made by Mr. NNB Chaudhary, the writ petition is dismissed as infractions.
May it please the Lord. I am the petitioner in item number 8
Ah.
and Mr. H. Gupta is the petitioner item number 7.
Ah.
We are also the respondents in both the cases.
Ah.
I can submit for my part. It is infractions. The other one is also infractions.
Okay, right. Item
8 and 7.
8
8.
and
I'm submitting.
in item 8, yes, but are you here? There in 8, you're not there in 8.
No, I'm in 8,
You're in 8, but no, you're not there in 7.
but I know that she is there for 7.
Okay, yeah. Okay, right.
On behalf of
Mr. In item 8, right, Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel for the petitioner, submit that the writ petition has become infracted.
Infractions.
Ms. Yudas appeals for the state government, while Mr. D. Gogoi appeals for
And
the
P. Sharma appears for the state government fishery department.
P. Sharma. Put the
Fishery department.
P. Sharma appeals for the fishery department.
Deputy
Is
Commissioner.
the MAC there?
MSc is there.
Then Mr. D. Gogoi appeals for the
MSc.
Missing Autonomous Council. Okay. Then in item
As also
7,
H. Gupta for R3.
in item 7, no,
It's okay.
R3.
Respondent number 3 is there.
Actually, in item 8.
Item
Actually, in item 8, you write Mr. H. Gupta appeals for respondent number 3. Then Ms.
And Chakravarti.
N. Chakravarti appearing for Mr. H.
H.
Gupta.
Gupta.
Then the petitioner submits that the writ petition has become infracted. Then you write Mr. P. Sharma appeals for the fishery department, while Mr. D. Roy appeals for the Missing Autonomous
Push
Council. Ms. Yudas appeals for the state government.
And I am
Item
there.
7. Okay.
And I am there for R3.
Acha, Mr. S. Banik appeals for respondent number 3. Okay, that is item 7. In view of the submission made by the petitioner's council, the writ petition is dismissed as infracted.
Wait for me.
So that is item, we have finished item
7, 8.
7, 8, and then Mr. NNB Chaudhary was 4,
In 4.
4, 5, 30. Okay.
In 4 also name. Lordship.
4, 5, 30.
In 4 also name me.
Huh?
In 4. 4 and 5.
4 and 5 we have closed them. Acha, Mr. P. Sharma's name, huh? Okay, so you do that. You go
13 also, sir. Lordship. 13 also.
13. 13 also we have done. So we have finished
Only
4,
one
5,
name may be recorded.
7, 8, 13.
Name may be recorded.
Mr. P. Sharma is there for fishery department. All right.
Item number 6, my lord.
Yes.
Can this be taken up on Friday, my lord, on 6th?
Whether new tender has been issued.
No.
Because of the
penalty.
penalty.
This, we are providing.
Okay, right. On the prayer made by Mr. Didas, learned senior counsel, and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the health department, list the matter on Friday, 7th.
I think it's 6.
6.
6.
I'm deeply aware.
Huh?
Item number 3.
3. 3, yes. What about it? Give me 3.
After a week.
Give me item 3. Give me the file.
Your Lordship, item 3, I am for the tendering authority. There is some urgency on our part. Date may be fixed, Your Lordship. I don't know.
Item 3. Okay, right. On the prayer made by Mr. S. Islam appearing for the petitioner.
Number 3.
This point number 3, which is not objected to by Mr. A. Dhar, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. K.P. Pathak, learned counsel for the
It's point number 2, Your Lordship.
this point number 2. List the matter in the next week.
Very deeply.
Interim order to continue till the next day. Then next. Monday. New matter.
Newman. For listing of a subject matter or fresh.
Okay. New matter or old matter? Old matter. When do you want? Okay, okay, Wednesday.
Another.
Okay.
Right, Malhotra.
Wednesday, sorry, holiday. No, not Thursday. Thursday is hearing day. Friday. Okay, fine.
Motion matter Malhotra for listing next week any convenience thing.
Okay, Monday.
Plus,
Okay, right. And Mr. Miss Yudas?
I am for 1 to 7, my lord. 8 is motor transport officer. I'm not,
Yeah, for
I'm, 1 to 7.
1 to 7.
8, my lord, I'm.
1 to 7. Just out here, huh? Okay, I put here. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 8 by registered post within 3 days. Within 3 days. List the matter after 5 weeks.
Extra
It is
copies.
Extra copies will do.
Okay.
Anupam, it's already here. Just have to add.
Item 2.
The respondent police have
They're fine.
I
Have you filed?
pray for some time.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
You, both of you,
Roshi, I'm appearing for respondent number 6.
are you filing any affidavit?
Yes, sir.
Mr. B. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 5.
Yes.
And Miss
Yes, sir.
P. Hazarika for the respondent number 6 are granted
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file a counter affidavit. This is a matter of 2 weeks.
Okay.
Huh?
maybe.
Give it. Give after 3 weeks. then. Give it. 24.
Item 9 and 10.
24 9.
9 and 11. All right.
9, 10, 11 actually.
If matter relates to non-payment of contractual bill.
So who's for the, now the problem out here is that no one appears, that's the problem.
Lord, all this followed the P and Goswami name.
But they're not here, what to do?
After some time.
Okay, after some time, just call fast because I'm finishing my list.
After timing.
Why don't you find a fresh writ petition? Why, how, where's the question of review? Just give me the writ petition.
Here is a direction of the honorable court. Dispute of data into order, madam.
Huh?
Data set into order, madam.
Correct.
Yes, madam. Subsequently, page 27, madam.
No.
Kindly the last part of the order, madam. There is no specific direction.
No, specific direction is that as soon as you get your license,
Yes.
but the problem is they're not disposing of your
Yes,
representation.
and, license fee was also up to, my lord, that 30/12/22.
So why don't you
6,
make a separate writ
2022,
petition saying that the direction may be issued for them to
to consider.
to dispose of your representation within a specified time. Where is the question of review?
Yes.
That's the
What is
review
wrong with the review?
file- That's the review file, madam, one day.
Mr.
Give
Counsel,
direction to the respondent authority.
To
Mr. Counsel, please understand the law. Please understand the law. There's no point just arguing for the sake of arguing. What is wrong with the order? There's nothing wrong with the order.
Yes, my lord,
That
because
is the problem. You are also not saying that there is anything wrong with the order.
Right.
Then
I am not saying, it. We are not saying. it.
only thing you are saying now is that since the respondents are not considering the representation, a direction should be issued to
continue.
consider. Now, that was not the issue earlier. The issue was with regard to cancellation of your closure of your shop.
Stop.
That has been allowed. Now, they are not considering your representation, you file a fresh writ. How is so what is so difficult?
I'm not saying that.
Okay, but then if I'm not there, then finish. Okay, next, tell me. Next, yes. Item 14, madam, you are for the writ petitioner? I don't know, you see, the interim order amounts to, I think, giving a final relief.
Not really, sure,
Huh?
not really.
In a way, it amounts to give.
But they have not done anything. In any.
What is to be done here?
I don't know, we have filed IA also for vacating the interim order.
But that.
This is an IA for vacating the order.
Yes, yes.
Then what is to be done?
Lordship, that is not maintainable, and I have been bound by it in the 226.
Huh?
Lordship. Civil.
That your lordship will
Huh?
ignore, that your lordship will ignore, it's an application for vacating the interim order.
How can it be ignored?
Now, you see, these are not like the earlier time where we can do as we like.
These are basic-
Everything now has to be uploaded.
These are
my-
basic lordship.
My lord, your lordship is aware, my lord, all of us are aware, my lord, wrong mentioning of a provision will not take away the power of the court, my lord.
That is,
Very technical.
Don't just wrong mentioning lordship, entire code has been sought to be enforced on the interpretation.
whatever it is, you want to file a written objection, you want to file,
I filed my reply, the
Huh?
reply is not on record.
your reply is not here.
Not-
Is it here?
Yes.
Wait, there is something here.
I think they.
No, it is not here. This is a writ petition. No, writ petition is a writ petition.
The reply is not.
Your reply to the IA. Reply to the IA is not here.
My submission will be instead of taking up all this
Again,
matter,
this is not the
enter,
entire-
yes.
When? Now?
Now my reply is not here. Whenever it's convenient.
Okay,
The
okay.
issue is very small, my lord.
Ah.
There was an NIT, lordship has seen, there was an NIT. My technical bit was rejected only on the ground that I don't feel the experience. My job performed by me in the IIT Guwahati was not taken into consideration. Now the Central Vigilance Commission has issued a
Anyway,
SOP.
what to do? She is not ready.
File.
Okay, right. Registry to, as the counsel for the respondent in the IA. So, as the counsel for the writ petitioner. Submits that the reply to the IA is not on the record.
My affidavit is on.
Okay, that's right. The counsel for the parties submit that the pleadings are not on record. The registry to place the same on record. On the prayer of the parties, list the matter when? When?
18, 18,
18. Okay.
lordship may direct that matter for final disposal.
18, on which date an attempt shall be made to dispose of the case.
Right.
The entire case.
Let it come for admission, my lords.
Let
admission
the
column.
matter be listed in the admission column
Urgency is there on part
on
of both
18.
of them.
Who will actually answer everything?
Next
May I please your lordship,
item,
I think
15 lordship.
just a minute, let 15. Yes.
Paying for my lord to
You see, I want to one clarification. When did you file your bid, submit your bid? Did you submit any bid? Mr. Counsel, please answer the question, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Did you submit any tender bid?
After filing the petition, what happened, my lord, but what last?
No. So when was the last day for filing the bid?
But it was on 12th, my lord. 12. 2012.
No.
Lordship, my lord, wait. Lordship has-
Wait, huh?
The case on second, my lord.
Huh?
On Monday, the case is fixed.
Main
For
case is
hearing,
fixed
main
on
case
Monday,
is
my
fixed
lord.
For hearing on Monday, my lord. What I want to submit, my lord, my lord. Let the entry matter be hard to do.
No, we will hear it. The
Yes,
thing I want to record in the main order,
Wait, my lord.
data, in the main order, in the main petition. Heard Dr. BP Dodi, learned senior counsel, who submits that the last date for submission of the tender
no tender, my lord.
The last date of submission of the bids.
No, my lord, not been bid.
No,
It was, my lord, pre-eligibility criteria documents, my lord. Not bid, my lord.
bid not submitted.
Pre-eligibility criteria documents, my lord.
So when was the last date? Submit that the last date for submission of pre-eligibility.
Documents are 12 August.
Pre-eligibility
Pre-eligibility documents,
documents.
my lord.
Uh,
Pre-qualification.
Huh? Where, which page in the,
Bid, my lord. But page 27 from the main decision everything. Pre-qualification criteria, what may can come to page 27, my lord. The my lord, bid petition.
yes, where?
I must say number 2. The pre-qualification criteria
Who
documents.
submits that the pre-qualification criteria documents
Yes, ma'am.
were to be submitted
Within 12 August,
on or before 12/8/2020.
madam.
Full stop. However, the petitioner submitted his pre-qualification documents only on
12, I think, I don't, it's 12. madam. 12, when the, my lord, this was filed on 8.
Yes.
This was filed on 8,
yes,
and documents were submitted on 12.
on 12th, you're right,
Yes.
on 12th. On 12/8/2024.
Yes, madam.
This aspect will have to be clarified by the council for the respondent.
Yes, madam.
Ah.
What's it there?
Then what to do with this IA?
My lord, this may be heard on Monday, my lord.
Okay,
Main
this
is
matter
on
on the
Monday.
prayer of Mr.
J. Bormon on behalf of Mr. J.K. Goswami, standing
J.
counsel
Burman on
AIDC.
behalf of Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the
AIDC.
AIDC, list the matter on on
My lord,
no,
it is-
Monday.
It is fixed on
Second,
2.
two, then you also write the same thing that we put in the main order. That small part, you write that.
Well, may I submit, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, simply case has been fixed for hearing on Monday, my lord. On second, my lord, case is fixed. My lord, this my lord, for proper adjudication matter, my lord.
Huh?
For proper adjudication of the matter, my lord, the I have been had, my lord, mainly some additional prayer.
We will see,
No.
Monday you'll see,
So,
Monday
my
you'll
lord,
see.
this may kind of object it considered alumni main case.
The IA will be considered
Alumni-
along with the main case on two.
Right.
On 2/9, huh?
Much
You
obliged.
put that thing also. Why don't you file a thing? Why don't you file a writ petition?
I am nothing about the order. You want this on last.
That is what now, where's the question of review? That is the problem.
We want a 1 day matter, depending before the board of directors shall not.
No, Mr. Counsel, I'm not on that. Whether a review will lie, that's what.
That part whether can be by law. Either time limit may be given for that year or maybe.
No, because you see, that was not your prayer in the original writ. With regard to that, it was only with regard to the closure of your business. That has been now set
That's
aside.
true, my lord. Notice one.
Yes, during
That's set
the,
aside.
now that order, you have not found anything wrong.
No,
There's there's nothing wrong, only with that, it is not being considered. So you just file a petition. We will dispose it of on the first day itself. You can keep this pending. This, yes. And if you are scared that will go to some other court, you can keep this pending.
But I already.
Then we will say that list this matter along with that. No, will a review lie, you tell
No,
me.
no, review since by the review or modification of the order. That's.
No, this is the question of modification of an order. Modification of order will be by way of an IA.
Gotcha,
But then that also, where is the question?
gotcha.
Because you have to file I'm only on the legal issue. What you're praying for is a very legitimate prayer. Very legitimate prayer. Only thing is whether whether we are doing it the correct way or not. That is the only.
My divided by the
I don't know.
Already renewal.
Because there is,
license
you
has
see, the
already
cause of
expired.
action is there. The cause of action has come. Subsequent to this judgment, cause of action has come that they should have to consider.
Right.
So they are not considering. So that is the cause of action. Then you file. Then you file a. That is what. That is what, it is not even your prayer in the, but in your writ petition.
Notice that your worship.
Ah, that's all.
Authorize your worship, but that part one, we are not.
So you file a writ, you file a writ. Because I am slightly apprehensive that I will not be passing the order in the correct procedure manner it has to be done. That's all. The order will be the same, whether I do it by review or something. But then there is nothing,
Part one is.
There's nothing wrong.
We have not tried, we have to say.
what to do,
Very reasonable order.
what to do.
We might not that part.
I don't know by review whether it can be done.
However, as the petitioner's license for running the business is required. It's not represent pending before the reserve board. Petitioner shall maybe considered by the witness such as.
It expired, my lord,
That's
31st
not
of
my lord.
March 2022, my lord. If your lordship allow, it expired, my lord, license. is up to my- So, Continue, my lord, you will be allowing, my lord. So maybe, my lord, direction, if he files any phrase case for direction of, my lord, disposal of the representation, my lord.
What maybe, I'm not saying. that.
I'm
You
not.
file a fresh one. How does it matter?
What pending before.
However, for has been pending, cannot continue until the renewal of the license given by the minister.
So until.
So you-
One
yes.
year also, I know.
That's why you file a writ petition.
But if they continue, my lord, because.
You file a writ petition, we'll tell them to consider within a specific time period. You file that. That's all. So we'll keep it pending or what?
It's been, my lord.
I don't know. Okay, right. On the prayer of Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, list the matter. When this bench sits again. Because I won't be here next week.
Actually, was it was. The type of having some interaction.
Huh?
The type of having this very. The interaction, my lord. Find it this book.
No.
One week or also. So
I think 1 week, the 1 week though, I'm sure, I hope it's still 2 weeks, I don't know.
we hope so.
Because I've got my family that side, I'm here alone.
Then no. That is very important, my lord. Okay.
Next,
I mean, 1911.
yes, what is to be done here?
Lordship, we have received the instructions, your lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
I am appearing for respond number to your lordship.
2, in all the repetition,
All.
in all the content. What is the instruction?
There's no fund available as for yet, your lordship. That's the issue we are facing right now.
Okay. No, they say no fund, what to do?
So we're trying our best to get all the funds we can, your lordship.
You find this affidavit?
Very well, lordship. I'll file it.
Let him find. Okay, right. Mr. R.R. Gogoi appearing for the respondent number 2. In all the 3 contempt petitions. Shall file an affidavit. As he has received instructions by way of letter dated 14/6/2024 issued by the chief engineer bracket PAG, sanitation. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Date, give a date. What about one? What to do? Respondent number 1, what to do?
Respond number is retired, your lordship.
Okay. That's all. Just right. Mr. R.R. Gogoi submits that the respondent number 1 has retired. That's all.
No,